afternoon everyone. Today I have a triple unboxing of my Chanel 22p haul, and for this 22p haul I specifically asked for items in the light pink NG750 color because I thought it's such a sweet color and super lovely for a tropical spring summer climate. And let's see what we got. Good idea to share with you guys what I got, and also to record my feelings and initial impressions about the items. So the first item I have is an SLG, and it's a light wallet, light color wallet, the classic long flat wallet in light pink gold hardware. To be honest, I used to have this wallet in black lambskin. I used it for about a year, and because long wallets are no longer that common, especially with small bags, so I let it go at a discounted price. But as you can see, I bought it back again because of the color. Though I haven't had much chance to use it, but this is so pretty. So this is in caviar, and the inside is not leather lined, but it's made in France, and the entire pink is in this NG750 pink with the inner zip as well, inner compartment. If you want to watch the video, I'll put down a link in the description box below where you can see my review of this in black lambskin. So for first impression, definitely this is a very pastel and sweet color with the back Mona Lisa pocket. There's a sound because it's really not still so brand new with the Mona Lisa pocket, and I really love this color. And it's definitely for a wallet you will be throwing it around your bag all the time, and I don't like to be fussy about my small leather goods at all. So it's good that this is in caviar, though I have to say the price has increased quite a bit. I got my lambskin wallet at the Hong Kong airport when I was traveling for work, and this one I got it in Singapore. There's definitely a price increase. If you're not using a bag, you're just running an errand and you want something to complete the look and just hold in your hand or tuck it under the crook of your arm, this is perfect. If you need some cash, and it's not using all the small wallets is crumpling up all my cash, so having this, I remember whenever I use the black lambskin one, the cash is always so straight and so smooth and crisp. Okay, this is the first item. Let me keep it back now. So typically when I recall, I mean that was almost a few years ago when I used to have the black lambskin wallet before I sold it off at discounted price. It definitely did not have this felt and this white cloth, this covered cloth. I think the reason could be because it's so light in color. Okay, maybe I will just leave it open and put it at one part of the video for some eye candies. So in terms of maintenance, I don't really have a lot of bad things to say about light colored things yet, but I'll let you guys know if I change my mind. The second item is the same color code NG750, but is in lambskin. Okay, let me just put the code aside. So this item is actually made in series 32. It's my first series 32 item actually. Ever since they started moving their bags to my cruise trip, I guess they moved the items a lot more slowly. And this was a little bit funny. I bought this around Valentine's Day, so they used the Christmas ribbon, black ribbon with Christmas black camellia flower with the Chanel ribbon. Yeah, this red ribbon is so pretty as well, but I really love the Christmas one more. So this one, initial impression after I bought it online without actually inspecting the goods from the store itself. Yes, you can pay online and the SA will ship the item to your house. I was working, so I really didn't have time to go down, so I just trusted my SA. I've been shopping with the person for some time. So the first impression when I saw the item, to be honest, I was a little bit disappointed because it looks a bit too big and almost like a water bottle. So you could actually fit your phone, and the name of this item is actually a foam vanity clutch with purse. But so I practically just ignored it for about maybe a week or so. I think it's more than a week. I just didn't carry it out at all out of the house for about a month. And today when I was going for golf classes, I put it on and wow, it matches. I think it depends on what you were wearing that day. So because this is quite long, the end of your top or your dress or your bottom, it needs to be longer than where this will end on your body. That day I was wearing home shorts and this made it look, the strap and everything look really really long and unappealing. But wow, with the right item, this actually looks so chic. And this I remember cost about 3K plus, and it functions just like a bag. So for the value for money, I think this is quite okay if you don't mind that it's lambskin. Let me just, yeah. So once you wear the correct outfit, it really really doesn't look so huge. And this part is you can adjust it. Let me just slowly rotate around. This is a lambskin, yeah. And still the same code, NG750. So it's a very cool pink. It's not like a mess mauve Sylvester where there's more purple tones. It's just a very whitish pink, but more pink than white. There's a bit of strain here, but to be honest, it's not a defect. I mean, if people say that these lines are defects, it is very funny. And I think after a while you'll learn to set expectations. I'm quite excited for this piece because my experience in lambskin is that the more you use it, the more beautiful it's going to become as it ages, whereas caviar is pretty much stays the same all the time. So let's unzip this. I already took out the authenticity card, so let me try not to bend it because I baby my lambskin pieces a lot. Inside is fully fabric lined, and there's a mirror here. Yep, but I mean practically no one's going to use the mirror. So this can actually fit 2 handphones and a small card holder. Though I mean, if you're using this, I would say just use your phone to make mobile payments rather than putting in a card holder because you need a hand to carry things. So this is super cute as well. Just imagine it being tucked over your body, and my favorite method of wearing this is to use this like a sling. Okay. So this is the second item. Let me know what your thoughts are about this pink. I really wanted the mini flat bag with top handle, but my SA just said that the shipment isn't coming. And maybe it got allocated to other people, I'm not sure, but it's just a bag, so I won't beat myself up over it even though I can't get it. And I probably saved, the bag cost almost 7K, right? So I probably saved money by not getting the bag on being unavailable to me. I'm not sure where I can put this such that you can see it. So, one moment. Maybe let me just put it here. Let me just arrange this nicely. What are your thoughts about this color? Lambskin versus caviar? Do you have a preference? And for me, my lambskin pieces, I mean I rotate my bag, so I don't really mind that it's lambskin, especially if the color is pretty. But I will mind is a high value item. So for black, for my classic flap, I'm not sure other than black if I will ever add another lambskin piece, to be honest. Okay, now for my last item. This is, again, the exact same color. I just wanted to collect every single piece in this color when I saw the color scheme. Should now change the sticker though. I miss the old sticker, to be honest. And this is the coco handle in the color. I couldn't get a small, so medium is what I could get. And to be honest, I don't really mind it. Okay, the strap is here, the detachable strap. I don't really mind it because it can put so much more things. My first coco handle was a medium, and I'm very happy with my beige medium beige coco handle from 21A. Is much cheaper as well. Put the link down in the description below if you want to see the unboxing. But here it is. We have this in pink. To be honest, coco handle feels like it's quite a serious, I mean, it's chic, but it's not that casual. It could look a bit stately, a bit formal, unless you get it in small. So I had very mixed feelings about getting this in pink, because pink is such a fun color. I really love, I think out of my 3 pieces here, my favorite is going to be the pink lambskin, because it's such a fun piece to use when you're going out, and it fits. I mean, I can go out using this like a bag, even though it's under the SLG category technically. So that's probably my favorite piece. Whereas for this piece, I love it a lot. Okay, don't get me wrong, and the color looks so pretty, right? Especially when it's arranged against the other pink pieces. But given that this is a large size, medium size, it could end up looking a bit confusing. Like the look, the vibe could be a bit confusing, because it's a medium bag which is super roomy. I really love the contents of the medium. Look, you can have a zip pockets here, and there's another back pocket here. It's very stress free. You can just open it like that, and you don't need to worry about clasps and having to arrange things back and forth. The only gripe is that because it's quite serious, like this particular design, I think it suits my beige tone more, and I use my beige bag for work, etc. Whereas for this, it looks a bit too fun. So this is my medium piece out of this, and there's a caviar as well, Go Hardware. So out of these 3 pieces, what are your favorites? I think my favorite will have to be this, surprisingly, which is quite ironic, right? Given that on first impression, when I got all 3 of these items, my least favorite was actually this. But then again, lambskin grows on you. Another thing to check if you watch my 21A video is that the handles of the medium size tend to be, because the bag is heavier, it tends to be it can be a little slanted sometimes. Can you see? But sorry for shaking the camera. But it's bendable, and my boyfriend did it for me before. I haven't really, this is still a little bit slanted. I haven't really bent this yet. I'll probably ask him to help if I haven't started wearing this out at all. So if I want to, I'll probably get his help to help maneuver this to be straighter. But it doesn't bug me, because I know that it can be fixed, it can be trained. Okay, I think this is all the unboxing I have to do today, and thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments below. I know everyone's probably hyping up over 22S while I'm still stuck in 22P, but that's fine. Let me know down in the comments any opinions you have, what you think of this collection, what are your favorite colors, and how has your journey been in the year of 2022. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.